Just wanted to unfold this bike quick. There we have it. This is my Dahon Boardwalk folding bike, single speed. I picked up on Facebook Marketplace about 2 months ago. Got a pretty good deal on it, and all I really had to do was remove some rust, throw on a new chain, and replace the front brake. But absolutely love this bike for cruising around. I used to live on the east side of Milwaukee, so downtown, awesome, cruising, relatively flat terrain. I've also taken it on some recreational trails, 15-mile plus rides. I'm about 6'1" and over 170 pounds, and this works for me. The tires are a little thin on it, I will say. It always looks like it needs more air, but it's a very suitable bike, super lightweight, fits in the back of my Ford Focus trunk perfectly. I used to put a little basket bag on the back to keep waters in and t-shirts and whatnot. Otherwise, I usually keep it pretty slim, maybe throw on a bike, a light or a mirror, but this has been an awesome bike I've been using for the last 2+ months now, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone. If you see one, I've been seeing them on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. People either, don't want them or have no use for them. Definitely pick one of these up, and you will be happy you did. All right, thank you for checking this out.